The ICFA University Meghalaya Admission Open 2024. The university offers program courses in the schools of management, humanities, social sciences, and science and technologies for both undergraduate and postgraduate programs, UG and PG programs. Full-time campus programs offered under the undergraduate programs are BBA, BCA, BCom, BTTM, BA, Economics, Political Science, English and Education. For PG programs are MBA, MCom, MTTM, MCA, MA, Political Science, English and Education, MA Khasi, MSW and MA Music. For further information and details, visit or contact the ICFA University Meghalaya Shillong Campus, Powerville near Shillong Law College, Dhangati, Meghalaya. Phone number 0364 222 0057, 94851 58603, 700-505-7728, 8794-250646.
On the 6th of August 2024, a delegation of the Meghalaya Sarvah Shiksha Abhiyaan School Association MSSASA presented a memorandum to the State Project Director and Director of School Education and Literacy, Government of Meghalaya Swapnil Tembe. The delegation urged upon the state government for the immediate release of salaries for the month of July this year. Aristotle Rimbai, the president of the association, revealed that an urgent meeting of the lower and upper primary SSA teachers was held on the 5th of August 2024. During this meeting, it was decided to demand the release of their July salaries, which they believe were approved by the Education Department on the 25th of July. Rimbai accused the SSA non-teaching staff of withholding the funds as part of a protest against the government's inaction on their own demands. He criticized this delay as an infringement on workers' rights to livelihood and constitutional guarantees.
Nakaliang jungi ka Meghalaya SSA School Association Central Budi Mentakasni nila wan banyakendu ye State Project Director Isar Swapnil Tembe Office Rekam jungi akabangi la somidro ya kajingtho kabanakaling jongi association ngibo ya kajingdawa lengba jongi ba kidai ban pelai no marmar ya ketulop jongi ke jong benai match kumban shu pentip jong benai Julai kumban shu pentip ya pi nakaliang jong ka state nakaliang jong ka education department akala de ban pelai ya ka sanction order syabaro ki district ha ka absent week jong benai Julai nakabata ban siu ya katulop syabaro kinohikai SSA nagbanta ugnay July. Handai kaba penlango pad yani habangi lek budin syaki district New York jingtip bakadaw kaba penslam ya katulop jongi kalong nakadaw bakini ki non teaching staff ki yaki. Dai kaba ngi nakaliang jong association ni pensngaw sya state project director ni ong ba nimdan ai ban ong ya kijingi ki jongki they have every right to protest as per constitution. Handai mangiru kinohikai SSA ngidon ka hok katkum ka jing petkuk board jong article 21 but ka article 300A jong ka Constitution of India kimdon hok ban bat ya ka salary jongi namar ni hikinoi ka SSA ni fully depend ya naman ka livelihood jongi naka salary jongi kimdon so ki alternative source of income tikani ka jingi ki jongki da ka ba ki withhold ya ka tulop jongi bat ki detain ya ka tulop jongi kala kata sikade yani kidoi ka SSA Manakalian jongi ngila pensngau ngila dawa no state project director pa ban pelai no marmar ya kani katulok jongi badane kam badane kam urlong nakaliang jongki non teaching staff nada ja ya kino hikai SSA nada kami keno kajing ki nakaliang jongi kino hikai SSA ki habat shim ya kajing ki percentage klemoye anamar bisuto hi ba ka salary jongi kino hikai SSA ndo kebasedang ka government ke frame tang kumban supen kan mau harusnya arzar kan beliau government ka enhance ni kumno ka ayangi ka basic pay bat kumjo ka ayangi bat ka DA kadang dah kila calculate ya ka formula itu KLP kiyo kat kanda hajar sau bat ki upper primary kiyo ato hajar sospat ka dulai and this time ro ni ebet ka jing start jong ka government akan frame ya kan ka calculation